hope you all are having a wonderful day. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is Good Vibe Scribe. So, what is Good Vibe Scribe, you ask? Well, I'm gonna tell you. Before we do, I want to say thank you again so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of unboxings, from lifestyle to beauty to snack to candles, just any and everything. We do it all here. So we also do lots of live streams and giveaways. We do actually have quite a few giveaways going on right now with the Boxy Luxe, with the makeup and skincare giveaway. So definitely look for those giveaways in the other videos because we have tons of them. So let me tell you about Good Vibe Scribe. So they are a brand new subscription box. So what I have here is the September 2019 Good Vibe Scribe. So I actually also have, sitting right there, the October box. So I will actually be doing a video for that box after this one. So the video you will see in just a few hours post will be the October box for this. So you're gonna get to see the September and the October. Now, the September box really honestly was their very first box. They did have one in August that was available, but it basically was a September box. So this really is their first box. So let me tell you all about it. It is $35 a month. You can get, you can save a little bit of money, like 6 months breaks it down to $33.17 a month. 12 months breaks it down to $31.50. Does ship worldwide, which is amazing. Every month you can expect a monthly dose of good vibes delivered directly to your door. Each box will feature 5 full-size items, including unique goods handmade by artisans around the country. All products featured have been handpicked with our fabulous subscribers in mind. Now, this is what I think is absolutely amazing. Now, just so you know, the September box is no longer available. So if you place an order for this box, it would be the October box. Well, just so happens the two owners of this subscription box are insurance adjusters. Okay? Well, what just happened? Hurricane Dorian. And actually emailing back and forth, come to find out, last year after Florence hit, one of the ladies was actually here in North Carolina for a few months helping with Florence related claims. So this is where I think it gets really, really awesome. All of their profits, you guys, all of their profits for October are going to Hurricane Dorian relief. That is amazing. To be a brand new subscription company or subscription box, and out the gate, you know, we have this active nature that no one can control, and they are, like I said, 100% of their profits for October are going to Hurricane Dorian disaster relief funds, which I just absolutely admire and think is amazing. Now, I have a promo code, which is Southern Mom 10 in all caps, and that, if you use that, I'll put the link down below. Like I said, use that promo code. That will also let them know that you want to make sure that your purchase is part of the Hurricane Dorian relief. So like I said, I'll put the link, the promo code down there. I think that's fantastic. If I did not say, they do ship worldwide. You can also follow them on Instagram at Good Vibe Scribe, and they do have a Facebook page, which is Good Vibe Scribe. So I'll put those links down below as well. So let's get in here and see what the September box is about. And then, like I said, I'll be making another video for the October box. So you'll see that one as well. So first of all, I think the box is very pretty. Super, super pretty. One of my favorite colors. So let's open it up and see. Oh, I just noticed. Sending you good vibes only. Good vibes inside. All right. All right, so this is what I see when we open it. So they do have a pamphlet, and it does say September 2019 featured products overview. It says every company and product created has a story. Peek inside and learn a little about these wonderful gifts you have just received. All right, so it's going to tell us about all of the items. That's awesome. All right, so the first item, which is actually right here on top, America and Beyond Multicolored Clutch. This is actually really pretty. It's got some squiggles on it. Feels like really good quality. Family-owned business that works directly with craftspeople in villages and small communities in India and provides them trade to give them sustainable independence. They design, manufacture, in-house, source materials ethically, and are dedicated to delivering keepsake quality. They are passionate about connecting contemporary designs with a network of craftspeople, creating unique collections to be cherished. This unique handmade clutch is a bohemian-inspired, perfect for a holiday, beach, or festive look. So that is super cute. And then right here, I don't want to take it off just yet, but there's obviously a tassel. Oh, y'all. The inside is gorgeous. It's like, and it smells good. But it's like stars. And there is a zipper right here on the inside. That's really nice. I like that a lot. So that's item number 1. Something smells really good. All right, so let's see. Then we have right here in bubble wrap. Oh, I love this. Okay. High Tides, Good Vibes, Tipsy Coasters, Jellyfish, High Blue Car Coasters. I actually have some owl car coasters because I love owls, but they could be replaced and this actually would match the color of my car. So I'm excited about this. So Tipsy Coasters products are proudly handcrafted in the USA. Their premium limestone tiles are custom quarried and printed with high-resolution images that can be hand-washed without wear. Standard size fits most cup holders, proudly made in America. Daydream of a day at the beach. These super absorbent car coasters add flair to a function with unique graphics and sayings. High Tides, Good Vibes. Those are super cute, so I'm so excited to have those. They will be going in my car. All right, so then we have 28 North Mermaid Cold Process Soap. That must be what smells good. Is that this? Yes. 28 North Soaps Mermaid. Right here. 28 North is a family-owned business out of Kennedy, Texas. They've created a local, intoxicating, natural line of organic and quality ingredients. They feature handmade products that were created with love and integrity, and we know you will love them as much as we do. Mermaids are real. They live in the ocean and use this soap to bathe. That's why there are bubbles when the tides come in. Ocean mist, sea moss, and cedarwood are what the mermaids lend to make the soap soft and fragrant. It says to extend the life of your soap, keep it out of standing water by using a draining dish out of direct sunlight. Note, no mermaids were harmed during the making of this product. Their cooperation was given willingly. Mermaids rule. So let's take a look. This, like I said, something, oh, it's tied. I'm trying to like open it thinking it's just like, oh. Okay. That is gorgeous. And it smells so good. It's like shiny. Like, that smells so good. Okay. All right. Then we have, oh, okay. So if you have been following me, you know that I will do my live streams, and I usually will have a drink because my live streams can go kind of long. So sometimes, you know, I have my sweet tea, and I always have like a metal reusable straw. This is a glass drinking straw. I do not have one of these. This is awesome. Essential Taste 9.5 millimeter 8-inch glass straw with cleaning brush. Drinking Straws Glass LLC is a husband and wife team dedicated to providing an alternative to plastic straws in hopes for a healthier planet for our children and all future generations. Each of these handmade glass straws are carefully inspected for the highest quality before they are packaged from their home studio in the Pacific Northwest. They make each straw with love, knowing that you will be using it daily. Materials for their packaging are eco-friendly, and the packages themselves can be repurposed as a bookmark. They also help establishments go plastic straw-free and offer a reusable alternative. The duo actually gives establishments looking to switch away from plastic straws free glass straws for in-house use under their ocean-friendly program. Glass drinking straws are an elegant and environmentally friendly way to enhance your dining experience. Plastic pollutes and contaminates our planet, food, water, and bodies. Make the switch to a healthy and non-toxic life, both for yourself and our planet. Enjoy your glass drinking straw. That's awesome. I'm excited. Like, I'm really excited. Okay, it's all tied up, so I'm not going to take it out. But you can clearly see right there, and I can see the end right here of the brush to clean it. So I'm super pumped about that. That's awesome. All right, and it looks like we have one more item in here. And this is Bates Family Farm Goat Milk Lotion. It says scents will vary. It all began with a goat. Well, it began with a Marine, his lovely wife, and a therapy goat, to be precise. After 21 years of service to his country, it was time for Joseph Bates to retire. Weary from his time in the service and trying to overcome the medical issues that plagued him after 2 very trying battles with cancer, Joe decided to move his wife and kids to the Appalachian Mountains of Virginia and start a small farm. So they had goats that were making cheese. Goats multiply like rabbits. They crafted far more milk than needed for cheese production. Rather than waste the milk, they set out to find other creative uses for it. Shannon began tinkering with different recipes for lotions and body butters, and once perfected, she took her creations to the local farmers market. It wasn't too long before they began getting repeat customers at the market, and that led to local stores carrying their products too. They'd sell out quickly and ask when they could expect more, and there began the business. Joe oversees the sales and marketing with a small trusted team, and Shannon is the production guru. Every single drop of goodness that comes out of this business has touched their hands first, and they put all the love in the world into it. So let's see, we could have gotten, I'll show you which one I got. Strawberry champagne, Georgia peach, and citrus blossom. I got Georgia peach. Oh, Georgia peach. Safety seal. Goat milk lotion is, I have heard that it is absolutely amazing for your skin. So let's put this on here and put a little on our hands. Oh, we got a little bit right there. Oh, it feels so soft. And that literally straight up smells like peach. Like, oh, that smells so, ow, my finger just popped. But that smells so good. I love that. All right, so that is awesome. So we got this goat milk lotion, the glass straw, the car coasters, the clutch, and the mermaid soap. Awesome. I really liked it. So I'm excited to do the October box here in just a few minutes. So let me know down below what you thought. Like I said, I will put a link to their website down below and that promo code, as well as links to their social media so you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. And like I said, the October box will be up shortly. So see what you can get. I'll talk to you later. Bye.